Hello everyone, very good day to you. My name is Dr. Karthikeya Visain from Faculty of Agricultural Sciences and Allied Industries, Rama University, Kanpur. Our topic is bacterial growth curve. When you inoculate a bacterium in a suitable culture medium in a in vitro condition, their growth and multiplication follows a particular pattern, meaning thereby if you count the logarithm number of bacterial cells against the time and plot this on a piece of a paper, you will find a particular growth curve. Now, here I have drawn a particular growth curve which is called bacterial growth curve. Now, there are 4 phases in this growth curve which I have donated 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these 4 phases exhibit the particular pattern of the bacterial population growth and their multiplication. The number 1 phase number 1 which is called lag phase. What happened in lag phase? It's just about the immediate after the you inoculated the bacterial population in a culture medium. So, now what happened? In a new environment, bacteria needs time to adapt for the new environment. So, in this phase there is no cell division, meaning no increase in population, but you can find the cell size increases in this particular phase. No cell division, meaning there is no growth in the population of the bacteria, and the duration of lag phase depends on many factors such as composition of the bacterial culture media and the species of the bacterial cells, what species of the bacteria you inoculated, pH, temperature of the laboratory and vitro condition which you are using. Now, after the first lag phase is end, okay, now its second phase is started which is called log phase and exponential phase. What happened in this phase? The cell divide by exponential rate, meaning 2, 4, 8, 64, like in this pattern exponential growth of the bacterial population, meaning cell divide in full rate 2, 4, 8 like this. And what happened is the exploitation of the available nutrient is up to the peak. In this phase bacteria exploit all the nutrients available in the culture media. They reproduce by binary fission very fast, and the population growth is occurred in this phase. Now, the third phase is called stationary phase. Look here, is a straight line. Stationary phase is marked by many features. First of all, here in this phase the nutrient available in this culture medium or the media is now depleting, and accumulation of inhibitory metabolites. After the high population density of bacteria, they produce various metabolites in the environment. Now, these metabolites inhibit the growth and reproduction phase या binary fission or cell division of the bacteria. In what happened in this phase? The growth rate, meaning the rate of cell division, is equal to death rate of the bacterial cell. That is why it is called stationary phase. There is no increase or decrease in the bacterial population. Why? The nutrient is now depleting, and the bacterial population has reached the limit where it is now exploiting maximum of their nutrients. And the fourth phase, it is called death phase. What happened in death phase? Now, at this point after the end of the third phase, all the nutrients have been exploited by the bacterial population, means there is no nutrient available in the medium for cell division. There is no space for the bacterial in a particular in vitro culture, and the population is now decreasing, means the death rate is now higher in the fourth phase. Okay. So, this is called the bacterial growth curve, means 4 phases you will notice in this curve. First one is lag phase, second one is log phase or exponential phase, third phase is stationary phase, and fourth phase is death phase. Now, every phase in the bacterial growth curve is characterized by a particular characteristics, meaning in this phase number 1 there is no cell division, only an increase in the size of the cell. Bacteria is now adapting in the new environment. And second phase, which is log phase or exponential phase, there is increase in the cell population. Why? Because bacteria has started to cell division, means binary fission, and the rate of the bacterial population is exponential, means 2 divided in 4, 4 divided in 8, 8 divided in 64. Okay. That is called exponential rate. And in this phase, the bacterial population exploited maximum rate the available nutrients and all the other things available in the culture media. Now, in the third phase, after the completely exhaustion of the nutrient media, which is done in this phase number 2, exponential phase, now the bacterial cell are now dying, started to die, but the cell division rate is equal to death rate, so that the population do not increase or decrease in this phase. Only a stationary phase, means all the number of population is maintained, which new cells are generated and the old cells are dead. This is called stationary phase, where the cell division is rate of cell division is equal to rate of the bacterial death cells. Okay. Now, here all the nutrients are now exhausted. Okay. Bacteria have, the bacterial population colony have used every dime of their nutrients available in this culture media, and after the everything is exhausted, there is no nutrient available, so cell started to die. There is no cell division, only cell death. So, this fourth phase or decline phase or death phase. Fourth phase is decline or death phase is denoted by a decrease in the cell population. Why? When the cells are started to die, because there is no nutrient, no space, and there is accumulation of inhibitory metabolites. So, this is called bacterial growth curve. Okay. Means logarithm number of bacterial population against the time is plotted in a piece of paper. So, you will observe a particular curve, and these curve denote the growth and population or number of bacteria at a particular time. So, this growth curve, you will find this observed growth curve when you counted the bacterial population at a particular interval and plot them against the time, you will observe a growth curve. Okay. Thank you. That is it.